How to fix and solve copyright infringement on Telegram app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your device and search for Telegram icon and hold on to the Telegram icon. At the top, click on App Info. After you've clicked on App Info, it will lead you to this page. Click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. After you've clicked on Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. After you've done that, simply go back and then open Play Store. After you open Play Store, search Telegram, and if there is any update available, update your app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix and solve copyright infringement on Telegram app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.